never lose it. And now I'm so caught these people, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. And I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught these people, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these...
And I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a nude. I'm gonna do nude lip glosses for Valentine's Day, but I think I'm gonna keep the collection. I think it just fit right for Valentine's Day. But I don't have my tripod. What I do is just freaking broke, so like I'm not gonna be having it on the stand recording. I'm gonna have my sister record me while I mix it, so it's gonna be kind of a short video. I'm gonna just have a video of me mixing the VersaGel with all the oils and then the colors. And this is my first time making nude glosses, so it's kind of gonna be like an experiment. So I hope y'all bear with me. I'm gonna be mixing and mixing and mixing and whipping it and cooking and cracking and all that. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how y'all like these colors down below. I also do wholesale, so I don't know if these glosses gonna be for wholesale too. I don't know just yet, but I also do wholesale, so check my website out for that if you want to start your lip gloss business. My wholesale program start off at $45 for 30 tubes, and it's the little squeeze tubes. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and comment which color y'all like down below. Peace. Of course, going in, we're gonna start with our gloss base. I'm just putting a little bit in because I don't have that much left. I should have ordered more, but this one I'm making the first gloss, and it's kind of a little bit. So yeah, just continue watching. And now I'm adding my oils inside the gloss base, and I'm just mixing it real good until it gets to the texture that I would like it to be. So guys, I know the gloss got like a yellow tint to it. When I'm making a colored gloss, I don't add the clear oils because I want to save it for my clear gloss. So you will not see this tint because it's a colored gloss. But if it was a clear gloss, then I'll have all the clear oils in it. The first color we're using is going to be like a little dark brown liquid. Liquids, like I said, we're using liquids for all of the glosses that I'm making in this video. And it's like a dark brown, and I'm gonna keep mixing it until I get the desired color that I want. Even though this is a pretty color right here, I'm gonna still keep adding colors and mixing it. Now I'm adding this yellow color. Like I didn't know how I feel about this color, so like I said, this is my first time. Just bear with me. I was just mixing and experimenting and see how the colors come out, so please bear with me for real. So I just added some more oil to make my gloss the texture that I wanted, the consistency. Now I'm adding, is this vodka scented from Get Suckered flavoring. And at first it smelled like vodka, but now it don't. I don't know if I'm used to it or not, but I just added in there to give it a little scent to it. Y'all let me know how y'all like this color. I just was mixing and mixing, and I think I like this color the way it is. So yeah, on to the next gloss. Right now we about to make a I can't remember what color this gloss was, but yeah, just continue watching and you can see it. Y'all, so this actually is a lot of gloss, so that's good. But the color I'm going in now with that ugly yellow that I'm using, and I'm gonna mix it to try to make it out of something. And this, y'all, when I tell you I mix this, I literally mix not every single color, but I just kept mixing because I didn't like how the color was turning out. Then I thought about it. I was like, the color probably ugly, but I can't see how it look on my lips. So I had got a little bit and test it out and see how it look on my lips, and I actually like it. It was a nude color. Right now it look kind of mustard, look like ketchup and mustard mixed together when you're eating your hot dogs. But I mean, it's cute or whatever on your lips. It's like a nude color, like a nude yellow, I guess. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, I'm just keep adding in the yellow and the white, and I'm gonna add a little bit of dark brown in there too. You about to see it in a minute. This color really looked like mustard and ketchup, and it also looked like wheat Tims, and I was going to call it wheat Tims. I was like, no, that's an ugly name. But yeah, continue to watch it and see what color turns out to be, because I really was at a loss when I was mixing this. I did not think it was going to work out, but I did not want to waste this whole batch of gloss, so I end up making it right and liking it. As y'all can see, when I added that brown, it really didn't do much, so I'm gonna probably add some more because this color really wasn't getting nowhere, y'all. Like, I literally had to pray and pray so this gloss color can look good. But I see the white makes it lighter, so I like adding white to a lot of the liquid glosses now. Y'all, this color look like a dookie color, but y'all, I really, really do like this color. Like, I actually did really like this color. Once I got it on my lips, it's like, it's like a nude lipstick. Like, it's so pretty, but it's a gloss version. So comment below and tell me how y'all like this gloss right here. I know y'all gonna say this is an ugly gloss, but y'all will see the swatches at the end maybe. Now we on to the third gloss. We're just putting in our oils and we're about to add a color mixture in it. Okay, so with this color I'm adding, it's like a dark red kinda, I guess. And I wish I left it this color instead of adding the white that I'm about to add and the light red. And I should have added more liquid pigment because I want it to be more like a actual lip color than a lip tint because it goes on clear. And I wanted to be able to see the actual color a little bit. But I added the red and the white, and I got this color that's about to come up. So guys, this is how the color turned out. Let me know how you like this color. I went ahead and make the fourth gloss, but my camera had died. Well, my phone had died. So here's the ending of this gloss. It's a pink nude, and I love it. It's called Barbie's Dream House, and all of these glosses are on the site for $5. A picture of the swatches of the 4 glosses. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you like these glosses, and shop www.WhatAGalNeeds.com. The link will be down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.